Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use BrowserStack to run your Selenium code. So, BrowserStack is a Selenium hub which can allow people to launch a browser in a remote machine. Recently, BrowserStack released an SDK which can allow people to realize this very easy. So, let me show you. To install the BrowserStack SDK, you need to open your project and go to command line and type pip install BrowserStack SDK and press enter. It takes a couple of seconds. Now everything is set up. And next, you have to set up your username and key. To do this, you just run BrowserStack SDK setup username and key. Yeah, so you already set up your credential. The second step, you have to create a BrowserStack YAML file in the root folder. So let me show you. Here, you create a YAML file called BrowserStack.yml. Oh, it already exists. Sorry. After you install the BrowserStack SDK, there is already a default one here. In this file, you can see there are some sections, like it specifies the project name, build name, some identifiers, and also the platform. So let's just run on macOS and Chrome, so we can remove this Windows device. And also it provides some other parameters. It can allow BrowserStack to connect to your local service. So we can set it true because we don't have it. And also you can turn on debug mode, you can check the network log, you can check the console log, and there are also a lot of features. If you go to their website, you will see a lot. So now how to run your test case. First thing, let's create a new one. Test with BrowserStack. Okay, we create a new file, and then we need to import some packages. For example, we need to from Selenium import WebDriver, right? And also we need to import from Selenium WebDriver.chrome options, import options as Chrome options. Yeah. And the next step, we need to initialize the driver. So to do that, it's very easy. Option, we can just the driver equals to something like this. This is the very easiest one. And next step, we can just copy paste the code from here, right? And we open google.com and we send hello world and we search, right? Can copy paste from here. Oh, also we need to copy paste some libraries. Yeah. Now we finish all the code. The next step, let's try run the command. Okay, to run the test, you have to go to the command line and you type BrowserStack SDK, Python, and the test. Now the test is running. And now the test is finished. We can open this link to check the recording. Go here, and we check the recording. Right, the same as the previous one. It's very easy. Also, BrowserStack provides a lot of cool features. If you like it, I highly recommend it you go to their website and have a try. Okay, that's all about my video today. I will see you in the next one.